on the verge of a career transition? Were you recently laid off or simply looking for a high-growth, high-paying IT career? IT Career Academy can transform you from a novice to a professional in no time. Our training takes a hands-on, practical approach to solving business problems. We use real-world projects to help you gain valuable experience that will equip you for the hot IT job market. Register to attend one of our instructor-led online sessions or on-demand courses in cybersecurity, SAP Security, SAP GRC, IT Audit, Oracle GRC, Linux, and much more. You'll have access to our weekly virtual meetup sessions where you can work with experts, mentors, and scholar practitioners in your chosen IT field. We'll also pair you with one of our career experts who will guide you through the process of rewriting your resume or creating a new one. And you'll learn the art of interviewing and salary negotiation so that you'll be ready to land that job. Visit our website, www.ITCareerAcademy.com, or take one of our free sessions today to learn more about the programs. We'll work with you to make you a sought-after expert in IT.